To grant someone access to edit your Canva design on mobile, click on the share button here. Click on share link. You see it says link copy to clipboard, but you're not going to proceed with that. What I'm going to be looking at is here where it says copy link, but I am not still going to copy link. What I'm going to do is to click here where it says only you can access and click this drop down here. It says only you can access, anyone in your team can access, anyone with the link. I want to give anyone with the link access to this Canva document I'm working on. When you say anyone with the link, you come here and say what you want anyone with the link to do, whether you want them to comment or view, but I will leave it as can edit because I want this other person to help me edit something on this document. So I will leave it as edit. But if you don't want the person to edit it, you can make it comment or view it. Once you're done with doing all these settings, you copy your link. I hope this is helpful. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.